Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Course Academy, crash course for competitive exams. In the world of sports, the Dronacharya Award is given to dash dash, filling the blanks. And the correct answer is sports coaches. Which is the largest blood vessel in the human body? And the answer is aorta. Who founded the Vijayanagar Empire that reigned over South India in the 13th century? And the answer is Harihara first. Which world-famous brand derived its name from the Greek goddess of victory? And the answer is Nike. Which day is Father's Day being celebrated in India this year? And the answer is 16th June. The term talkies come from talking picture, referring to movies with sound released in 1931. Which of these was the first Indian talkie? And the answer is Alam Ara. Who was the first Indian movie star to be featured on the cover of the internationally recognized Time magazine? And the answer is Parvin Babi. For the first time, a metro in India will receive its power from a waste to energy plant. Which metro is adopting this change? And the answer is Delhi Metro. After the Green Revolution, Operation Flood was launched in the year 1970. Which product was the focus on this movement? And the answer is milk. Which branch of science is concerned with the study of reptiles and amphibians? And the answer is herpetology. Which is considered as the national slogan of India? Hint: it was popularized by Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya in 1980. And the answer is Satyameva Jayate. Ocha, an Indian town that was recently added to UNESCO World Heritage Sites tentative list, is located in which of these states? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian state recently won the 2019 WHO Award for tobacco control? And the answer is Rajasthan. Name the longest national highway in India which passes through 11 Indian states. And the answer is NH44. What is the name of the fictional Arabian city where the story of Aladdin is based? And the answer is Agrabah. Videos of the world's first and most rare albino giant panda were captured recently. Where was this albino panda seen? And the answer is China. Who is the youngest member of Lok Sabha in the history of Indian Parliament? And the answer is Chandrani Murmu. Which former president of India was conferred Mexico's highest civilian honor for foreigners titled Orden Mexicana del Águila Azteca? And the answer is Pratibha Patil. Which animal made comeback on the Warsaw beach in Mumbai after almost 15 years when the beach was cleaned up by the efforts of the residents? And the answer is olive ridley turtles. The world's highest polling station can be found in Himachal Pradesh and it has 49 registered voters. Where is it located? And the answer is Tashigang. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A videos. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.